Guys, we have a humongous storm coming. It's extremely windy. Oh my god. Can I go outside? Okay. I'm getting scared even getting near the door. Let's see how strong this wind is. Oh! Chairs were not folded like this, they were up and they were literally smashing into the window. Oh yeah, it's windy. That's coach down there. I'm worried that might fly away. The dogs in the other house are broken. Oh my god. Well, good thing I stopped chopping wood an hour ago, otherwise I'd be in this. It's so windy. Dock! What's happening to the dock? Okay, the dock is good. The dock is fine. At least I think it is. The wind is actually blowing my iPad up. My iPad weighs about like half a pound, so yeah, we got a big amount of wind here. Hope one of these giant trees doesn't fall down, otherwise we're gonna have a big problem. Okay, I can't stand being out here any longer. I'm getting hit by small things, so okay, this is just nuts. I can't open the door. The wind is so strong I almost can't even open the door. Oh my god, I almost can't even open the door.